Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an image from your OptinMonster image library. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. A quick note, use the delete option with caution. This action is permanent and deleted images cannot be recovered under any circumstance. Once you've determined you no longer need an image saved in your account, find and edit any campaign in your account that contains an image block. Next, select the image in the campaign, and in the left panel, select the Change Image icon to open the image library. Hover over the image in the gallery that you want to delete, and select the Delete Image icon to remove the image from your OptinMonster account. And that's it! The image is permanently deleted from your account. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.